Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tech 360. Hope you guys having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how can you change your recycle bin to Popcat on Windows 10, 11 or even 7. So at first just go to your Chrome browser. Now just search here change recycle bin icon from GitHub. Now after searching for it, just go to this first website. Now here you can see this Popcat. Just download it. Click on Popcat. And here you can see view icons. Click on it. Now click on the first option, Popcat empty icon. Double click on it. Click on view. Now here you can see the Popcat icon. Now the Popcat is here. Just right click on it. And here you can see save image as. Click on it. Now just select it, save. Now search here settings, go to settings. Now go to your personalization, this option. In the left go to themes. In the top right here you can see desktop icon settings. Click on it. Now just select recycle bin and click on change icon. Browse, click on it. Now just select the Popcat. You can find it or you can just search for it. Select Popcat, click on open. Just select it and click on OK. And by this you can just change it to Popcat. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching this video.